Welcome back to AI Odyssey Quest. In the rapidly evolving landscape of the workplace, generative AI is carving out a niche that promises unprecedented transformations. As marketing expert Jessica Apotheker highlights, the potential of AI is vast, yet it reinforces the importance of human creativity in fostering innovative ideas. The challenge lies in harnessing the capabilities of AI, while ensuring that human insight continues to guide strategic thinking within marketing efforts. Marketers today are faced with a pivotal choice: to lean into the data-driven world of AI or to unleash their creative instincts. For those who gravitate toward data, AI offers the ability to analyze vast quantities of information quickly, revealing patterns and consumer behaviors that may otherwise go unnoticed. This analytical power can inform campaigns, optimize customer experiences, and lead to enhanced targeting strategies. Marketers can harness these insights to create precision-driven strategies that resonate deeply with specific audiences, offering personalized content that captures attention. Conversely, for marketers who thrive on creativity, generative AI opens new avenues for inspiration and content creation. The ability of AI to generate ideas, assist in brainstorming sessions, and even produce creative assets means that imaginative marketers can collaborate with technology in ways that amplify their expressions. The fusion of human creativity with AI-generated content can lead to unique and compelling marketing narratives that stand out in a crowded marketplace, ensuring that the human touch is never lost amidst the algorithmic calculations. A pragmatic approach is essential in navigating this duality. By understanding one's strengths, whether in data analysis or creative expression, marketers can effectively position themselves in the world of AI. Apotheker suggests a future where marketing professionals adapt and thrive in synergy with technology, learning to incorporate AI tools that enhance their unique skills rather than replace them. This interplay may ultimately lead to a new breed of marketer, one who is both analytical and creative, seamlessly blending the best of both worlds. The hope for the future of business lies in this harmonious balance. As generative AI continues to reshape job roles and tasks, the integration of human ingenuity and machine intelligence will not only redefine marketing strategies but also elevate the entire marketing landscape. Embracing this evolution can pave the way for innovative campaigns and more meaningful consumer relationships, ultimately driving business success in ways that resonate on both emotional and intellectual levels. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you want to stay updated on the future of AI, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, see you in the next Odyssey.